Hi all, welcome to the today's tutorial. So previously we have added the decal system to our pool table and to our flow. So today what we will do, we will add the cue ball, black ball, and like red and white. No, red and yellow. Like just at the preliminary stage, so we can have the idea like we have like two players will be there, and so we will have the two colors. So we will do that, and we will do some physics settings too for our ball and the table. So for the physics, what we will do, so these for the folders. So what I usually do, so this is our core folder because we are doing these are the external libraries which we are using, which we haven't created, right? This we have created, so we will just add the color just to have the distinction to the parent folders. Inside this we are using the characters, assets, and the label. So in the asset, uh, okay, so right now we will create the physics settings for the ball. Right now we are not using any of those, so let's go to the assets first and the material. So in the ball we already have the materials ready, but we don't have the balls yet. So let's go to the blueprint class, sorry, the CPP, or rather we can go to C++ class, double click it, and in the M ball mesh, so just right click and create the C++ derived class. So it will be the child of the M ball base class. So it will be like MQ ball. Okay. MQ ball. Base. We will do the same like two times, one for the Q, one for the like black ball. Press no, right click, C++, M black ball base, create class. So as soon as you will do that, it will throw you some error. It will be related to the header file, so we will rectify that later. Right click again, C++, and it will be like mem yellow ball base, create class. And one more which is red, so M red ball base. Okay, it's done. Now go back to the rider or the ID which you are using. We will go to the Explorer. uh, okay, first mistake which we have done, which I guess is like we can move all the ball section to the particular folder. I think it will be a good idea, so let me open the folder. Okay, so inside the, let me close the rider, else it will cause some issue. In the source, the 3D dirt actors, so I will make one more folder called ball, and these are all ball code except the table one, so I will remove that. Red, yellow, black, cube, ball base. Okay, just shift it to the ball, that's it. Now what I will do, I will again open the hierarchy. So let's check if it is updated or not. No, it is not. So what I will do, right click and reload. Okay, that button is not there. What I will do, let me exit it, and I will delete the intermediate. Just give me a second, let me close it, just click save, and what I will do, I will create the intermediate one. That's it. Let me generate it again. Let's check. Okay, it's updated. In the actors, okay, we have the hierarchy now. Cool. And there was some error. If we will go and check in the new classes which we have included, because the path is actually wrong. So in all the cpp file which we have created, we will go and remove the folder. Same with the yellow. Okay, so this is it, think, and let me compile. Build selected project. The shortcut is Control B. We can click that too. Okay, so it is giving me again error. It is same like like when it was like the yellow ball and the different ball which we have created, they have included the base, like the M ball base was the parent class. So in the hierarchy what it include with the folder. So I am removing that. Let me remove it one by one. Okay, I think we are good to go. So let me just compile it again, Control B. Awesome. So let me open the Unreal. Okay, Unreal is loaded. So let me create the actors. So in the Pool 3D actors, I will create a folder called ball, and I will like what we will do, we will actually create the blueprint variant of all the ball which we have created. So yellow select, so pp underscore yellow ball. Next was red ball so pp underscore red ball. Right click again. I think the black one is remaining, so black ball base, so pp underscore black ball. The q ball is remaining, so blueprint q ball base here, pp underscore q ball. That's it. I think we are good to go now. So select all these and press enter. Okay, so the static okay, just one thing I want to make the change is the editor preferences. Just select the asset editor open location to the main one. So what change it will make, when we will press enter, it will open it in the main window only. Okay, so the viewport, so we just have to select the material. So let me go to the asset file which we have created in the previous tutorials for the material. So asset materials ball. So okay, we don't have the cue ball yet, so we will create the cue ball from the M ball. So create material instance. We will same the same hierarchy which we have followed before, mi underscore q, or the white. Q is okay. Double click it, let me choose the color, and it will be white. So it will be like 1 1 1 if I'm not wrong. Press OK. So this will be our cue ball. Okay, so go to the cue ball first, select the sm underscore ball, and we will choose Q. Save. Next is black, so we will choose black we will remove the it is not there. I'm curious why these like where are these. Okay, this is the fabric one. Okay, so we have to cut those down. Go to the asset material ball, so it was the black one, so just select it, go to the black one, select the pool and select the material, compile and save. Now go to the yellow one. I'm just following the same step, which yellow, save yellow, compile and save. Next is black, we have done, and red is remaining. Do the same exercise with the red too. Red, okay, cool. So our classes are ready to go. But we haven't set the physics in the materials, because right now in the previous tutorials which we were following, I think we have added the, let me check, with the ball base we have created the static mesh with the linear damping and the angular damping which was there, and we have also set the mass in the kgs. But we have few more options which we have to add. So in the asset I will create a folder called physics material, or the physics mat. Right click, let me check if where that option is. I think in the miscellaneous, no, physics material. So this thing we have to choose, and the parent will be physics material. So material, it is the physics material, so I always prefer MP. This is the standard which I usually follow. The physical material, so it's a PM underscore, and it is the ball. This is for the ball. Let's press enter, save and enter. So is the restitution and the density. So the density is mass upon volume. This is the formula of the density. So this standard value, like the standard density of the particular pool ball is 2.7, so I'm using that. And in the friction side I will use 10. These are the settings which I have already tried, so you can go through and test this different settings which you wanna use, and like you should be good to go. Next is restitution. Restitution is like the power which, let's imagine some ball is bouncing, so when it will touch the another material, how much energy it will take back. So this is what we call restitution. We don't want that, we just want density, if I'm not wrong. What else? Okay, this is it. And what we will do, we will go to the parent material, like the m underscore ball, and in the physics material we will set it pm underscore ball. Just click save, and what it should do, it should, like in the different materials, it should be there. Okay, I don't know if it is overridden or not, but usually it should, but it is not, so I am manually doing that, because these are the child of, these are the child, so that should already get the value. But okay, let me do it manually. Let me click yes, and my color too, just click yes. Okay, so right now let's put those balls here. So actors, balls, okay, let's simulate it. Okay, these are looking good, but what I will do now, This is the cue ball, so let's keep it at the right, and these are the balls which we will use. So let me press end. So what it will do, these will put the z value as soon as it will collide with some material. So these are at the base. We'll do the same with the cue ball. So let me arrange these balls in the proper manner. So let me switch it to the top view. Let me put them aside. So this is the black, this is yellow. So what I will do, let me switch that grid to 1 and switch it on. Okay, black will go here. This is red. Okay, pressing alt just to this is the really weird. Just let me choose some value which will set it to the 147, this again to 147, then okay, now this should be good. Okay, this is black if I'm not wrong. Again 147, let me check. So we will take this as the safe value. Yep, so this will come here, this will come here. I am just doing fast, just pressing alt button, and there will be okay, this should look good. So these are the ball which we are using right now, and from the top I will just trying to like be precise as good as possible. Okay, this is looking good. Again go to the top view. What I will do, the light which I have shifted, I will take them back. Press save. We are getting the preview text here, so as soon as we will build, it should go away, or when we will make the shipping build, this will not be there. Okay, so in the next tutorial, it is already 20 minutes, so like we have added the physics and all. World setting maps need to light, no important volume find. Bound light mass important, optimize in quality, light building time. Okay, we'll see that later. What is happening? Let me check. Let me do this. Okay, so when we will bake it again, then we will look at this problem. So this was it for today. In the next tutorial, what we will do, we will set some pawn on, and we will do some camera settings. So like as soon as we will start the game, then the camera will align with those settings on. Okay, so that was it for today. Please like and subscribe, and if you have some doubt, just comment below. I will try my best to answer them, and you can also follow me on Patreon. Thank you.